Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Padre Beats out here. So today I want to take you on a guide on how to get your BPM perfectly in FL Studio or any other DAW, or not even by BPM, how to actually get the correct key of your beat in any DAW of your choice. But for the purpose of this video, I will be using the Antares Auto-Tune plugins. Yes, the Antares Auto-Tune plugins. There are a lot of plugins in Antares Auto-Tune that are really going to be of help in this video. So first of all you need to do is to have your beat route to or sent to an insert. Let's say I have sent this beat to this insert here. As you can see, if I play it, this is where the beat is sent to on this insert. So the next thing you need to do is to actually, on your beat, on the insert of your beat, you find where it says the plugin from Auto-Tune that says Auto Key. So this is Auto Key, and if you actually want to do this to get the BPM and also get the key, you will be needing I think the Antares bundle. Yes, the Antares bundle is what is going to give you this correctly. So all you need to do once you load it on this channel, all you need to do is to play it. So as you can see, the beat is playing and it's coming into the Auto Key. So we have G minor here. It has already seen it and it says G minor, and as you can see, our BPM here says 91 BPM. So this is good. So once you get the key, you could actually once you just send to Auto-Tune. Sorry, I made a little mistake, but then before you even start doing this, you need to load up your Auto-Tune. That's the main Auto-Tune, either the artist or the pro, on your vocal channel or on your vocal insert. So this is the Auto-Tune. So let's say, for example, Auto-Tune actually came with C here, and you've already used the Auto Key to find your key, and it says G major here. All you need to do is to send to Auto-Tune, then go back to confirm if it has sent to Auto-Tune. We actually selected C, so as you can see now it has sent to Auto-Tune, and Auto-Tune is telling you G major. But there is another thing I will want you to notice about the Auto Key again. If you look at the Auto Key here, it says there is an arrow here that goes up, one goes down. That's to switch between G major or E minor. So these are the two related keys to this particular beat we have loaded, and we are trying to find the key. So it's either you use Auto-Tune is automatically telling you that it's either you use G major or E minor. So if you try G major, you're not too satisfied with it, you could actually hit here. It's going to switch it, and then you send to Auto-Tune. Then you check again. It has changed it to E minor. So there's another thing again I want you to notice about the Auto Key again, where it says BPM. Below the BPM, there's let me see, let's listen again and play the beat so that it will find the BPM for us again. I just want you to see something about where it says BPM. So as you can see, we are having 91 BPM, and we are having divide by 2, and we're having multiply by 2. So you could actually divide by 2. If you divide by 2, it says 45. But if you multiply by 2, it says 181. So you could use either 45 for this same song or 181 for this same song. So you could actually divide again, as you can see. So this is how the Auto Key from Antares really works, and it's trust me, it works very marvelously well. It works perfect well. It works pretty well for me, and I've never had any issues using the auto key, though sometimes you may have the auto key trying to change while it's still playing and it's still listening. You have it trying to change in between some keys, so you could actually know which key is trying to change which. Sometimes it says G minor, G major, and while it's still playing it will change to C minor or whatever, so you could just play in between those keys it is giving to actually find the right key for your project. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. More tutorials and more videos coming your way. Thank you.